for Jamie's yoga adventures.
This episode is called The Big Surprise.
Hello, I'm Jamie. This is my treehouse. Are you ready to do some yoga? Amazing! Just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure.
Let's all blow a great big bubble, arms wrapped round, just like a cuddle. We'll try the moves and feel the glow. It's sparkle time. Let's go, go, go! Swirly spins and wobbly knees, shimmying shoulders, big strong trees. It's time for adventure. Just follow me. Let's find the glow rings. 1, 2, 3.
Let's have fun collecting them together. Will you help me? Great!
Let's get ready to go. We wiggle and we jiggle and we go with the flow. Clap hands, we're ready to go. Together we'll all find our glow.
Hello, Glow. We're ready to go.
Hi, I'm Sunny. It's great to meet ya. I'm Pocket by name and Careful by nature.
My name's Max. I put on a show.
Just call me Go. I go with the flow.
Come on, Wunzies. Here we go.
Let's get ready to go. We wiggle and we jiggle and we go with the flow. Clap hands, we're ready to go. Together we'll all find life's better. When we find together, we'll all find our glow.
Looks like we've arrived on Marshmallow Mountain. Oh, look! Mountain pose is our first glow pose. Let's go, go, glow! Standing with feet hip distance, arms by our side, palms facing forwards. We breathe it all in, like big, strong, tall mountains. Well done! We can already feel the glow. Now, I wonder where the Wunzies are. They're bound to be around here somewhere. They just love to play and do yoga and dance.
Did somebody say dance?
It's Des, the disco carrot. Come on, everyone. Let's do our carrot pose and dance with Des. Feet together, reaching our arms up, and we boing about to dance with Des. Thanks, Des. Oh, hey, Des, do you know where the Wunzies are?
Nuh-uh.
Well, they'll be around here somewhere. Ron the Rock! We didn't see you there. You don't really like dancing, do you, Ron? Let's do our rock pose to say hi to Ron. Coming down to our knees, we fold all the way forwards, making ourselves into a little rock shape. Ron can be a bit grumpy sometimes, but doing our rock pose will really cheer him up. That was actually quite cheerful for Ron. Let's come up to sit. Now, I wonder if the Wunzies might be in Feelgood Fields. How shall we get there? Helicopter, snowboard, or sticky mud walk? Oh, nothing beats snowboarding to whiz down a mountain. Let's come up to stand, everyone. Step 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, bending into our front knee, stretching those arms wide, and whoosh! Here we go! Whoosh! 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 Safe and sound in Feelgood Fields. Aha! Someone's dropped a walkie-talkie. The Wunzies must be planning something. I wonder what it is. Let's tune in with our walkie-talkie pose. Coming down to sit with our legs out long. We take hold of one of our feet and we push all of the buttons to activate it. Beep, boop, 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 beep, boop, 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 beep, boop, 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 beep.
Sunny, this is Pocket. Is everything nearly ready? Over?
Yes! She's gonna love what we've done. Over.
Well, well, well. It sounds like they're definitely up to something. Let's pop our foot down and head to Bubble Lake to see Goat. He might know what's happening. Let's take the helicopter. Up we come to stand, bringing our feet together, knees bent, arms wide. Now we take off, jumping our feet wide, spinning our propellers, going chopper, 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 chopper. Bubble Lake. Isn't it beautiful? Ah, we can hear the birds tweeting away. Oh, and we seem to have arrived in the middle of the crab's kick around. Shall we play too? Come on then, let's do our crab pose. Oh, crab pose is glow move number 2. Ready? Here we glow again. Coming down to sit on our bottoms, knees bent, feet flat, hands behind us, fingers point towards our bottoms. Now we lift up our hips and we move to the side like a crab, going digger, 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 and kick the ball. Ooh! And the other way, digger, 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 and kick the ball. Ooh! Brilliant! I love playing football with the crabs, but I'm super curious about what the Wunzies are up to. Oh, look! Over there, it's Goat's hammock. Let's do our hammock pose. Coming onto our tummies, we bring our feet towards our bottom, reach around to grab our ankles, and now we kick our feet into our hands as we lift up our chest in our hammock pose. But there's no sign of Goat. Usually he'd be in his hammock relaxing and snoring. Coming up to sit on our heels. Hey, I've had an idea. Why don't we use our binoculars to look for them? Joining our thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Oh, look, there's the Hocus Pocus patch. Nope, no one there. And there's Feelgood Fields looking very empty. Oh, and there are our friends, the stars, but they'll be fast asleep until night time. Hey, let's do our star pose. Up we come to stand, jumping our feet wide, arms wide, and sparkle like the stars we are. Ring! There is one last place they might all be. Let's join our thumbs and fingers back together again and have a look through. Oh, that's Wobble Wood. Now then, we can see Max's red curtains over there. I wonder why the curtains are shut. Max is usually on stage practicing for his latest show. Wait a minute, what's that? Did those curtains twitch?
Oh, oops.
Aha! That was Pocket the penguin. Did you see her too? Come on, we can get there with our big steps over the sand dunes. Coming to stand tall, we take a big step and back. And the other side, big step. Big step. Big step. Big step. Big step. Ah, Wobblewood, we love it here. And there's nothing better than a wobbly tree pose in Wobblewood. Should we give it a go? Standing tall, we bring one foot on top of the other, using our heel, our toes for balance. Our hands together at our hearts. Now we grow, grow, grow our branches high and open them out wide.
Oh, hello, Jaime. And hello to you. I like your tree pose.
Hiya, Pocket. Let's relax from our tree pose. Where is everyone today? We've been all over and we haven't seen anyone.
Ah, Well, that's because we've all been hiding, getting ready to give you a great big surprise. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Forget I said that. You haven't seen me.
Well, that was unexpected, wasn't it? Sounds like something exciting's about to happen.
Let's get ready for rainbows! Surprise!
Surprise!
Oh, what a wonderful, nearly surprise.
Hiya, Jamie! And hello to you. I hope you like our surprise as much as Jamie does.
Yes, yes, yes! It's time for your surprise, Jamie. Tell us, what's your favourite yoga move?
Oh, that's easy. It's the rainbow pose. Oh, look, rainbow pose is our final glow move. Let's glow for it.
Ah, but today, Jamie, we're all going to do your favourite move just for you.
Ready? Coming down to 2 knees, stretch those arms wide and take a leg to the side.
Then we drop down onto a hand and sweep our top arm up and over, making a rainbow. Woohoo!
Now the other side. We go back to 2 knees, our other leg stretches, and over we go, making another
Rainbow!
That's all 3 rings. We did it. Can you feel the glow? Thank you, everyone. You were brilliant. I'm so glad we got to enjoy the wonderful surprise. And now it's time to go home.
But you'll be back soon, won't you?
Of course we will. We'll be back to see you all again very soon.
Goodbye!
We wave goodbye and head for home. The Wunzies helped us all to feel the glow. It's there inside of you and me. We found the rings. 1, 2, 3. We did it, we've all found our glow. We wiggled and jiggled and went with the flow. Breathe deep, we're taking it home. Together we all share the glow. Breathe deep. How do you feel now? Can you feel the glow inside you? I know I can. That feeling is ours to keep. We had a great adventure today too, didn't we? The Wunzies planned such a brilliant surprise. We'll think of them next time we do a rainbow pose. Let's come to sit with our legs crossed, ready to enjoy some tickle time. Reaching our arm all the way up and over, we take our other arm round and we tickle, tickle, tickle up our stretchy side into our tickly arm. Now we go the other way, reaching up and over and tickle, tickle, tickle into our other arm. Now we stretch our legs long and we tickle, 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 little squeeze above the knee. Oh, and I think that's enough tickling for one day. We cross our legs, sit up tall, we close our eyes and we take a nice deep breath. Opening our eyes. Time to go. Now we always finish in the same way, by bringing our hands together at our hearts and saying our special yoga code word, which is namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Well done. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.